Hi everyone! Since magpapasko na, we decided to make our all-time favorite bibingka. But this time, it's going to be low-carb, keto-friendly. Mga sangkap. Gagamit tayo dito ng coconut milk or gata, low-carb sweetener, melted butter, vanilla extract, queso, grated coconut, itlog na maalat, coconut and almond flour, all-purpose cream, banana leaves, and gagamit din tayo ng spatula at whisk. And syempre yung ating baking powder. Umpisahan natin sa pag-crack ng 3 itlog sa bowl. Tapos, ihalo natin yung ating melted butter. And then, i-whisk. And then, pwede na nating i-add yung ating vanilla extract. Next, yung ating sweetener, low-carb sweetener. At yung ating coconut milk. By the way, yung exact measurements pala ng ating mga sangkap, available sila sa description below. And yung ating last wet ingredients, all-purpose cream. Mix everything well and ready na tayo for the dry ingredients. Meron ako ditong half a cup of almond and coconut flour mixture. Pinaghalo ko sila kasi gusto ko yung nutty taste ng almond and the aroma of the coconut flour. But it's still up to you kung gusto nyo gumamit ng pure coconut flour or pure almond flour. It's really up to you. I-add natin yung ating baking powder for about teaspoon. Mix everything well, and that would be for our bibingka base. Ganito dapat yung maging texture niya. It's a thick texture but still pourable. And yung container niya, nilagyan ko siya ng banana leaves for the additional aroma and to look more nice na rin. For the toppings, meron tayo ditong salted eggs and cheese slices. Pwede kayo ditong gumamit ng kahit anong uri ng low-carb cheese like mozzarella, yung queso, whatever you have available. And ready na siya for cooking. Ilagay natin siya sa ating microwave for about 15 minutes. And iset natin yung heat niya into medium. And for our final touch, itap na natin yung ating grated coconut. And cut it. Serve while it's hot. Enjoy!